Hi, I'm Neekita Shah. I'm dealership accountant for the Hertfordshire region and I'm based here at Welham Green. So it's coming to 6.5 years. I've been on maternity twice since then as well. So yeah, it's been a long time. I think the one I would pick is trust, because I would like to trust the amount of people that I do work with here at Welham Green, as well as Hatfield, and I appreciate the trust that people have in me as well in order to do my job a bit more easier. I would like to revisit India again and revisit my family, as it's been a while since I've been there. I think most people do know this, that I work closely with, but I like baking in my spare time. I do it for my kids' nursery, charity events, Christmas, etc. I would say recent one I have watched is the Indian movie K3G and Titanic. I would like powers to predict the future so we can forecast accurately every week, and accurate life planning. My first job was working at Debenham's Cafe part-time whilst I was at college too. Has to be Thai. It'll be Peru by Ed Sheeran.